Point-of-care ultrasound is transforming musculoskeletal care, providing bedside confirmation, faster decisions, and better patient outcomes. POCUS is portable, non-invasive, and perfect for specialties like rheumatology, sports medicine, orthopedics, PM&R, and pain management for both diagnostic and therapeutic applications. But to integrate it successfully, you need the right training. So follow me and get a sneak peek of what you'll experience when attending a Gulfcoast Ultrasound MSK Ultrasound program. At Gulfcoast Ultrasound Institute, our live MSK courses deliver expert-led lectures, interactive case studies, and industry-leading hands-on scanning with a 3-to-1 participant-to-instructor ratio. Plus, for those ready to perform guided interventions, we offer an optional cadaver lab for the injections, aspirations, and even more. For the most comprehensive MSK ultrasound training, join us in sunny, vibrant downtown St. Petersburg for the ultimate educational experience. So what are you waiting for? I look forward to seeing you at our next MSK Ultrasound program.